Local tourism officials want to operate in a more liberal setting. The global tourism industry continues to be one of the hardest hit by COVID-19 restrictions and protocols. The sector is slowly recovering with the advent of vaccines and medicines to alleviate symptoms. Additionally, countries around the world are slowly learning to coexist with the virus and are loosening measures. CEO of the SLHTA, Noraani Azeez, says St. Lucia's tourism sector should do more to offer unique experiences to visitors in a less restricted environment. The senator updated journalists outside Parliament on Tuesday on the desires and requests of industry players.
The greatest relief the private sector looks forward to right now is cessation of the protocols that we've been having over the past few months to allow us to operate within a more liberal environment. When you're looking at catering to visitors coming from source destinations, which are opening up more and more every single day, it is important that we position our country so that we can be more competitive when compared to other destinations, and that we offer our guests an experience that they have come to expect coming out of an environment that is a lot more relaxed.
EU countries are witnessing a resurgence in COVID-19 infections in the wake of the relaxation of protocols. The Health Ministry here is set to scale back COVID-19 measures as of Friday, April 1st, 2022. While Azeez wants a more liberalized tourism policy, he echoed sentiments of public health officials on adherence to the infection prevention guidelines.
I think as a private sector, we have asked that matters related to public safety and general safety standards continue to be adhered to. But as an economy and as a small island developing state, I think we have learned sufficiently from the COVID experience, the pandemic experience, to position ourselves in a way that allows us to coexist with the threat of the pandemic.
The first issue of the UNWTO World Tourism Barometer for 2022 indicated that increased vaccination rates, along with easing travel restrictions due to increased cross-border coordination and protocols, have all helped release pent-up demand. However, the UNWTO stated that the pace of recovery remains slow and uneven across world regions due to varying degrees of mobility restrictions, vaccination rates, and traveler confidence. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.